Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today I will show you how to toast sesame seeds. Sesame seeds from the stores nowadays are usually very clean. However, I still recommend you to wash them, making sure there's no impurities. In addition, wetting the seeds will help toasting them more evenly. Use a mesh strainer. Submerge the seeds in water. Rinse them a few times until the water is clear. Tap the side of the strainer or toss the seeds to remove any excess water. Do not add anything to the pan. Toss in the sesame seeds. Stir continually over medium heat in about 2 to 3 minutes. When you see there's steam evaporating from the seeds, turn down the heat to medium-low. Keep stirring. The whole process takes about 8 to 10 minutes, depends on the type of heat you use and the sogginess of the seeds. You could tell the seeds are toast when they smell fragrant, turn golden brown, popping and no longer sticking to your spatula. After you turn off the heat, do not leave the seeds in the hot pan unattended. The remaining heat in the pan is strong enough to burn the seeds. Do not over toast. It will produce a very bad bitter taste. During the toasting process, the oil contained inside the sesame seeds is released to the outer shell. That's why toasted sesame seeds are crunchier and taste better. Let the seeds cool completely, then store in an airtight container. They should be good for at least 6 months if stored in a cool, dark place. But the flavor will lose over time, so use them when they are fresh. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.